Hi everybody! Diwali is around, so I thought to share this beautiful sweet coconut laddu recipe with you today. So let's get started. Please note down the ingredients first. I've taken 2 cups of desiccated coconut and kept half cup aside to use to roll the laddus. I've taken 1 cup of milk. I've used this cup to measure the coconut also. I've taken half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of milk powder, pinch of cardamom powder, some cashews, raisins and almonds. Let's get started now. I'll dry roast the coconut. I'll be dry roasting the coconut for about 1 to 2 minutes, but I'll not let the to change the color of the coconut. Please do not leave it unattended because it gets burned very quickly. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk to it and let it absorb all the milk. Keep on stirring it because it get stick to the pan. You cannot afford to burn this mixture, otherwise the taste will be little bit not good. Now I'm going to add sugar. I'm using only 1/3 of it, and also the milk powder. I'll mix it thoroughly. The coconut mixture is very dry right now, but after adding this sugar and the milk powder, it gets a bit wet, but it's okay. I'm gonna fry it for a while, about 20 to 30 minutes, till the time it gets dry. Then I'm going to switch off the flame or induction and add all the dry fruits and cardamom powder. Keep it aside to cool down. You can see the consistency of the laddu mixture. Now I'm going to roll laddus out of this mixture. Take a small portions of it and roll it between your palm. And now I am going to roll it in the desiccated coconut. Keep the laddu in the tray. Now I'm going to roll few more laddus out of this mixture. Roll it in the desiccated coconut. I made around 15 laddus out of this mixture. Enjoy these delicious laddu. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.